This crazy delicious pumpkin and mushroom tart screams fall. It's August, which means we're on the brink of pumpkin-flavored everything mania. Ready to dive in head first? Start with this savory, satisfying pumpkin and mushroom tart. The high-protein crust is the perfect crunchy contrast to the soft pumpkin and mushrooms, and fresh sage just takes the flavor to the next level. Try it for yourself and see. I come back to this dinner again and again, and I guarantee you will, too. Prep time, 5 minutes. Total time, 1 hour 15 minutes. Serves 6. Filling, 3 cubed pumpkin. 1 tablespoon coconut oil plus more for drizzling. 3 med shallots, chopped. 1 handful fresh sage leaves, chopped. 9 ounces cremini mushrooms, sliced. 3 eggs. 2 tablespoons feta cheese, crumbled. Crust, 3/4 sea almond meal. 1 sea chickpea flour. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 3 tablespoons coconut oil, melted. 1/4 sea water. 1. Heat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pumpkin in a baking tray. Drizzle with coconut oil, season with salt and pepper, and cook until tender, about 30 minutes. 2. Meanwhile, mix all crust ingredients together in a bowl. Knead dough, then transfer to a well-greased 8 inches tart tin with a removable bottom. Place in the oven and cook 15 minutes. 3. Prepare oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the shallots, sage leaves, mushrooms and a pinch each of salt and pepper. Cook 6 to 7 minutes, stirring every so often. 4. When pumpkin has finished cooking, remove from oven and add to pan with mushrooms and shallots. 5. Beat eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper, then add half the pumpkin, mushroom mixture. Stir well to combine. Pour filling into the crust. Add feta and remaining vegetables from the pan. Reduce oven temperature to turn the oven down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook until the egg is set, 40 to 45 minutes.